The news in detail. President of BJP Meghalaya, Gambegre Momin, today informed that the party is gearing up for the upcoming by-elections in Gambegre constituency. Momin acknowledged the efforts of Tura MDC Bernard Marak in making the people aware about the JJM scheme and other government initiatives for the locals. Momin relieved that campaigning in 48 out of 51 polling stations in the constituency has already started. Gambegre fell vacant after sitting MLA Salsang Sangma of the Congress vacated the seats following his victory in the parliamentary elections from Tura.
We have started. Actually, Gambegre, we have 51 polling stations. Out of 51, we have already completed our booth level work for 48 polling stations. We are doing very fast and people are responding very, nicely to us. And even our State Vice President, Mr. Bernard, is really working hard daily, showing the way to the people, what the central government has given to us, like some knowledge of this JJM scheme and all.